Chapter Summary: Greek Civilization. Lesson 1: Greek Culture. The Greeks all believed in the same gods, goddesses, and myths. The 12 most important gods lived on Mount Olympus. Zeus was the chief god, and each Greek city-state had a god or goddess as its protector. To find out the future, Greeks visited sacred shrines where a priest or priestess, called an oracle, offered prophecies. The poet Homer composed epics, which are poems about brave heroes. Aesop's fables feature animals as the main characters and teach a lesson. The first dramas were written in the 5th century by Aeschylus, Sophocles, Euripides, and Aristophanes. Works of Greek art and architecture expressed ideals of moderation, balance, and harmony. This is known as classical style. Lesson 2: The Greek Mind. In ancient Greece, philosophers developed a new body of knowledge called philosophy. The sophists rejected the idea of absolute right or wrong. Socrates developed a way of teaching through asking questions, referred to as the Socratic method, and encouraged students to think for themselves. He was accused of corrupting the youth by encouraging them to rebel. He was sentenced to death and died by drinking poison. Plato, Socrates' most famous student, distrusted democracy and believed in rule by philosopher kings. He started a school called the Academy. Aristotle followed in Plato's footsteps and wrote more than 200 works on science, biology, astronomy, government, and politics. His ideas influenced the way Europeans and Americans created their systems of government. Herodotus and Thucydides were 2 Greek historians. Ancient Greek scientists included Thales, an astronomer, Pythagoras, a mathematician who developed the Pythagorean theorem, and Hippocrates, the father of medicine. Hippocrates wrote a list of rules for doctors to follow, known today